So, while heading to Placencia, Belize, we stayed in a wonderful hotel that's part of the small luxury hotels, or SALH, and it is part of the Hilton brand. And the hotel is called Itz'ana. So, a small boutique hotel with great accommodations and a wide variety of room categories, and it has great restaurant and more. So we're going to take a tour of it and take a look at Itz'ana here in this video. So we're going to take a look at the Itz'ana Hotel. But before we do, a little bit about us. We're pursuing travel with the Millers. We're Jason and Donna Miller. We've been to over 80 countries, all 50 states, and we have a lot of content around world, food, destinations, tours, and much more, so give us a subscribe. So taking a look at the Itz'ana Hotel, which Itz'ana is a Mayan word because we are in Belize, which is home of the Mayans. So we're taking a look here at the lobby area. So a nice small lobby, typical of lobbies in Central America and the Caribbean, kind of an open air with all the doors and everything open. And once again, beautiful spaces. They have a very nice restaurant that serves international as well as Belizean cuisine. And they have some great outdoor space where you come out of the house that's here, and they do provide you with off that's there at the restaurant. Definitely recommended, as Placencia area is big on sand flies, and that's pretty rough. So upstairs they have a library that also has the library bar, and you also have a nice patio, that balcony that overlooks the grounds, which is beautiful at night. And also something other interesting, we saw a couple walk out of this wardrobe and thought, what is going on there? Well, there's a speakeasy behind the wardrobe, so you got a little bit of mystery. I mean, once again, I thought it was odd and had to take a second look saying, whoa, what were those people doing in the wardrobe? But you come back out there and there's an AC'd area. You can smoke a cigar there, things like that. And as you can see there's a beautiful beach area. It wasn't really swimmable while we were there. The tide was pretty high, and there's a bit of sargassum out there. But still really, really nice, relaxing area to sit there and look at the beach. The food, like we got some great pasta. We also got some great Belizean Garifuna soup. So you can watch one of our world culinary journeys, if it hasn't come out in the future, about that kind of soup, which is excellent. And also they had a plantain dessert that was quite good. So really nice restaurant. The brownie dessert was also excellent, and a beautiful view of the grounds. The hotel, we stayed in a deluxe room. So very, very nice room. You have a mini fridge, a safe. They also will take care of you for your event. Like they can put something like this there for your birthday or anniversary, or so when you walk in, you have something nice there. Also had a little cake, a happy birthday cake, and our deluxe room also had a very nice balcony, patio, not really a balcony, but patio area, and the swimming pool that they had is right across there. So very, very nice pool. It has the slick little tile kind of bottom versus the rough concrete. So that's something I also really liked about it. And then nice bathroom setup with a nice luxurious sink and a very nice shower. So really, really liked our accommodations there in the resort. This particular room, the deluxe room, it's not the highest category room, but for us, it was, it was perfect. The AC worked well and really had a restful, nice stay there. So, but that's not the only room that we got the chance to tour. We toured a few other rooms at the resort. So let's head on upstairs to our next room, which is a one-bedroom oceanfront villa. So they have some really large accommodations that would be great for families or just somebody who wants extra room. This is one of them, where you can see that we're touring the bathroom first after we've gone upstairs. You got a bathroom, a shower inside, but you also have an outdoor shower. That in Belize, I've seen that there are a decent amount of outdoor kind of areas. So if you want to go outside and enjoy the outside, it is covered so nobody can really see you out there. So that is, another pretty nice addition. Plenty of storage in this particular room category. And then taking a look, you got a kitchen area. So you can go to a grocery store and cook your own food. They also provide water through a water filtration process that you'll see that jug that was on the, every room has that. It has a clay kind of process that filters out any kind of the contaminants, and they will fill it for you. Our room had the same. We used it to brush our teeth with, things like that, versus the tap water, which you shouldn't use while you're in Belize. But you can see the beautiful view in this particular room, and the nice hearing the waves. You have your own little plunge pool as well. It is quite nice. So let's take a look at the next room, the 3-room bedroom beachfront villa. So very large room that has its own separate little house for guests. And a lot of these rooms you could rent as just one area. You don't necessarily have to rent the entire setup here, so you could rent just one of the areas or all of them. So you also have a bathroom. You can come into the bathroom from the beach versus walking through your room. But let's take a look at the room area itself. So taking a look here, you got, plenty of sink area. There's 2 sinks that are looking at each other that's here. And you have a nice patio kind of area that also has its own little plunge pool that leads right to the beach, which is very, very nice. And once again, after looking at the balcony area, or the patio area, since it's at the ground floor, going into the bedroom, just, beautiful facilities there, and just a really, really nice room. So, continuing on, that you do have a separate area that has a pool and another bedroom out there. So a nice place. So let's look at the penthouse. So specifically, we're looking at penthouse number 3. This is not a large hotel, so you're going to see that you're not going to have any rooms numbered, room 523. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, things like that. But looking at this, you can see there's multiple bedrooms in this particular room category. So you can see the guest room has its own bathroom here as well. Nice decorative shower. So lots to lot of room there, but not the only room that you got there, because you also have the master bedroom. So another king bed, plenty of windows that you got there. You got a ceiling fan, which is a nice touch for all the rooms here, that especially you're in a tropical destination, it's nice to have. The ceiling fan. So taking a look, some great views of, the rainforest area, the grounds that are there, plus the ocean, and a nice, stylish, and large bathroom in the room. 2 sinks. You got a nice, large shower with rain shower, which is always nice, and a huge closet to store all of your things at this particular resort. So really, really nice accommodations. And then coming out here, got a guest kind of bathroom, half bath near and another bedroom as well. So you can see that you got 3 bedrooms in this particular penthouse suite. But you also have a nice living room area that we're going to take a look at as well. You'll see that it's pretty similar to the other guest bedroom in the accommodations and things that you got here. So this would be a great place if you have multiple families wanting to stay in one room, or you have a multi-generational family. So, and you got the nice living room area as well that you can stay in. So plenty of, couch space. You got your refrigerator and a full kitchen where you can cook your own food there if you wanted to. That jug that's over there, once again, is your purified water that you got. And the side, you have your plunge pool, plus a great view of the Caribbean Sea. So that is the Caribbean Sea. Placencia is in southern Belize. So this is quite far from Ambergris Cay, or San Pedro, as some people call it. But, really, really great place. You can see that you got plenty of outdoor space for the entire family to hang out there, and a table, which they could bring your food. And if you're just getting something from the restaurant there, and you can also see you have the Mayan influence in some of the accommodations, the furniture that you got here, because it's trying to keep a little bit of that Belizean feel. So let's take a look at the last room that we toured, which there's the beach side, and then on the other side of the Placencia Peninsula, they have a separate facility that's the marina side. So you're looking at the marina for the ships and things like that. So this one is a 2-bedroom marina villa. Have your plunge pool out there. It's nice that you have netting for mosquitoes or sandflies. This definitely don't want to deal with the sandflies. We got ate up by sandflies. It's not particular to this resort. It's just the area of Placencia is quite bad for them. And then you really get some pretty nasty, itchy bites. So you got to be cautious about that. So you can see that this particular one, 2 bedrooms, you got the master, which is a king, and then you have this one here that has a couple of twin beds. So plenty of room for the guest as well. Here, plunge pool, a nice balcony, our patio kind of area. So a pretty nice facility. The resort has also a coffee shop. We didn't get a chance to visit the coffee shop that's on the marina side. And then once again, the great restaurant, and then they have activities. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content, and contact us at ET Family Travel to book your Belize adventure, as we are certified specialists for Belize and have quite a bit of experience traveling through Belize. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you again.